best 7-inch grinder for cutting metal and tiles, best hand grinder, best metal grinder. DEWALT DW840K 7-inch angle grinder. 13.0 amp AC/DC, 8,000 revolutions per minute motor. High power and speed for 7 inches grinding applications. High power to weight. Adjustable guard can be adjusted to redirect sparks away from user. Rear handle designed for greater comfort and control. External brush. Sealed ball and roller bearings. Spindle lock button allows for single wrench bit changes. DEWALT D28499X 7-inch large angle grinder. High power 5.3 HP, 6,000 revolutions per minute motor with overload protection. 5-position side handle. Epoxy coated field and armature provide long service life. Low profile gear case allows for work in tight areas. Keyless adjustable guard. Automatic turn off brushes shut down the tool when brushes. 2-wire double insulated S-jacket rubber cord. Kawasaki 841425 7-inch grinder kit. 15 amp motor, 6,500 revolutions per minute, no load speed. 3 side handle positions. Wheel diameters of 9-inch and 7-inch. Lock off switch. Includes 2 grinder disc, 2 grinder guards, 1 wrench, and 1 handle. Dimensions: 6.8 inches long, 11.2 inches wide, and 22 inches high. Weight: 20.2 pounds. Makita GA7021 7-inch angle grinder. The zigzag varnish protects the armature coil from dust. Large rubber tool. AC/DC switch. Rubberized back handle. Externally accessible brushes. 3-position adjustable side handle. Tool-less wheel guard. Includes 7 inches grinding wheel and guard. Bosch 1974-8 7-inch grinder. 8,500 RPM, optimized for 7-inch wheels. Maximum power and 20% lighter than competitors. Patented vibration control with soft grip. Built-in quick adjust guard system. Epoxy coated field windings. Tri-control switch design. Easy brush replacement with removable brush covers. AC/DC compatibility.